Hello, guys, and welcome back to another breakdown. How are you guys doing? It's been a while. I did a video and or a breakdown like this because last week was really pretty boring for me. I couldn't trade because there wasn't enough uh, volatility in the market, and it was just really scanty and choppy. But this week we hoping to see new things and new opportunities from the market. So I would just like to break down two pairs we're focusing on, just like everyone has agreed for us to reduce the pair we're trading. So now we're focusing on gold and Euro USD. So that's the two pairs I'll be breaking down now. And other pairs which I'll be analyzing will be sent later. So here we have gold down. So let's go for to the 4 hour time frame. All right, so in the 4 hour time frame, we have gold here, and you can see that this was our main resistance support right here, and you can see that this is where we are buying. Um, and if you also check the CPI results, all right, you can see that more traders were bullish than bearish. So I think the price, if you check the daily time frame, yeah, so if you check daily time frame, I think the price is clearly moving, trying to get back to 2000 and 2000 per ounce. So I think gold is trying to just I think the this fall has happened and it's trying to just make a new high. So probably from the daily time frame because we still have a resistance here. So if you check quite we still have some sort of a resistance here at 1965. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. So yeah, so just right here we see have some sort of a block order right here. So we can see the price each here. So if the price should break here, all right, if you could see a break out of here, the next one will be around here and we could be getting 1990, yeah, 1999 and 2000. So that would be it, but you can see very clearly it's bullish. So last night I posted our projection which was bullishness, like the price was going to bullish. And my projection was that the price was actually going to make. All right, so just all right, so I was expecting the price to come back down here before making this the move it made here, you know. But I was planning if the price couldn't do that, um, we'll be looking for entries either in this green zone here or in this blue zone. But the price kind of moved fast. You can see that this 1 hour candle was really was very thick candle and it happens really fast. You can check it on 30-minute time frame as well. And since then we've been seeing chopping this. So what I'm just trying to say right now on do is that if we're going long, right, we might be putting our buy limit in this blue zone. Yeah. All right. Sorry. Might be putting our buy limit in the blue zone here. All right, and our stop loss will just be below it or below this green zone. And if you calculate the profits, so let's say we have which is pretty big. Looking from the 30-minute time frame, you can see, but the TP here is around 170 pips, right? But if you can put your stop loss right here, if the price could just retrace down here and we could get a very clean entry, I don't see a reason why our stop loss should be right under here. So I think we should be checking in for something here around here. Yeah, so if our buy stop is here, our stop can just be right under it. So that is what I'm trying to do on gold. As you can see, of course, getting in from the middle right here, I don't think that's a good plan at all because the price may move back down and you can get in stop in drawdown and it might take a while before it move up. If I the move the bullish move might not happen until New York session. So be really careful. But our target is here and the second target will just be maybe 50 pips after that. So I'll be closing, yeah. I'll be closing your like 50% here or 70% at 1965 and 100% at 1978, but the entry will be around 1947. But the entry will be there, and you can say the stop loss will be around 1942, TP 1965, and 1979. So that's what I'm expecting right now. It's very glaring. So that's it about gold. Looking for something like this. Yeah. So that's it on the 15-minute time frame. So moving on, we have Euro USD again, and I'll be giving. All right. So this is Euro USD, and generally about if you check the fundamentals as well, the price is bearish. All right, it's broken like two yearly low, so it's bearish. But as you can see here, this support here still holds, right? Clearly, like I think if this one should get broken, like there will be like every sell off, even a crash. So because the price has been just been plumbing down ever since, like so I'm expecting this to kind of just make a recovery move, right? Because we have been on a downtrend for a little while, and I was last during last week I was expecting a buy from here, that the price is going to react to this OB, but none. In fact, the O from Tuesday down to like from the 7th of April, you can see it right from the 6th of April to like till today, this is the range, all right. This is not tradable for me, and that's why I didn't trade anything last week. I was just clearly just watching how the thing is moving. All right. So first thing is we have a resistance right here. We see how the price will react to it. Hopefully it breaks it. All right. Hopefully it breaks this resistance, and we might be looking into long. But be very careful. We have a strong OB right here from the 4 hour time frame. So I'll be watching EU. But if you can see, if you can get some kind of bearish movement from here, I won't hesitate to take a short trade if the price, because I see the price kind of reacts here. One has been tested around twice. So if the price just reacted to it again and we could get the same thing, but let's say we had the same thing, but we had it, and mind you, this is 1 hour time frame, and we had the same rejection right here. I might be taking a short entry just to take it down here. And if we break here, we'll be looking for long entries from here. Probably your TP will be around here, right? And if it breaks here, we can continue higher, which I doubt because this is very strong over here, because you can see right here. So I'll be looking forward for the entry. I haven't made my mind up yet on how I'm going to make the entry because of the situation now. But on gold, I'm already watching. So just replicate this and keep on watching the price action. And if anything changes, so if you get a breakout here, you can take it buy, all right, and your TP will be in this next zone, and your stop loss will be below the zone, below this previously resistance. So that's it about Euro USD. And if the price rejects this resistance, you can take a short trade downwards here. And we're talking about, let's say you enter from here down here, which is about 60-80 pips. And the stops will just be around 14 to 20 pips. So that's it, guys, about Euro USD, which is the two pair we're focusing on right now. We're trying to gain the most from the pair. So let's stay tuned and stay vigilant. I'll see you guys on the next update. Thank you.